All right, guys, 2008 Grand Caravan starting issue. Long crank, but it does start. Let's dive in. We went ahead, tested the battery, 690 cold cranking volts. It tested at 800, plenty good. Plus, it's a newer battery. I'm not worried. Went ahead, we actually plugged in the scan tool. No codes. So, what could be the issue? For this car in particular, we are thankful enough to actually have a specification of how much amperage that starter should draw. Now, if we take a look here, we're equipped with the 3.8. Right there, 3.8. Crank amperage draw test at 200 amps is the maximum amount we want to see. We have to test at operating temp, which we are. Let's go ahead, let's hook up our oscilloscope and get some readings. This is the clamp. Go ahead, connect it to the negative battery post. We went ahead, we set it at 1 kiloamp, 1000 amps, but that way we can see the whole range that it has. So let's go ahead, start it, get some readings, and compare. And just for you guys that are curious, here's that starter. Definitely looks aged. All right, guys, so we just started the car. You saw that. Let's go through our waveforms, which are kind of snapshots of the data that we got. Let's use this scroller bar. Let's go back, go back, go back. And oh, right there, that peak, that shows that we started the car. Click on that once. And we can use this ruler tool to actually measure it, the exact amperage it is. 668 amps it took to crank that engine over. Well above 200, as you guys can see right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, recommend a starter replacement at this time for the client. They could have buildup of resistance within the windings. Considering the age, it looks to be possibly an original starter. Other than that, have a great day, guys. Thanks for tuning in.